In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install uTorrent Classic. All you have to do is open up browser and search uTorrent free download. Select the official site, scroll down, and you can able to see uTorrent Classic. Just tap on free download option. After the download done, tap on the installer and tap on run option. Select next, select next, and select agree, and select decline option, and select next, and select next. After the installation done, go to search menu and type Windows Security, click on open it. Select the virus and threat protection and select manage settings and scroll down and select add or remove exclusions. And now just right click on the uTorrent on the desktop shortcut and select open file location. Just copy this file path and close up here. Select the add and exclusion option and select folder option and paste the path we copied and press enter. Just go back to roaming folder and tap on uTorrent folder and select folder option, and the folder has been added to this list. And then just close up here and select finish. Now select the torrents option. uTorrent Classic is now successfully installed and ready to use. If you doesn't know how to use this, then check my video description for this video link. Watch this video and you will get how to download files using uTorrent. And if the download speed is slow, then watch this video to increase the speed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.